This is a boat that came in that was taking on water, and the first time we found that the inner shift cable boot was bad, so we changed it, and so there it's changed. It looks like new. We did not, when it came in before, change his U-drive bellows, because that looks like it's brand new. There wasn't any water in it. It still looks like it's brand new with no water in it. And we just didn't see it's pliable and with no problems at all. It doesn't show any evidence that water's been in there. Here's his drive. There's his U-joints. I mean, there's no evidence that any water's been anywhere. I mean, they look like it's brand new. So, don't know where the water's coming from.
New joints are all good. They're not seized up.
Yeah. So, don't know where the water's coming from. So we'll just keep it. We filled it up with water and with the plug in, and nothing showed to be leaking that way either. But that's just where we are today.